Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm a little sick right now, that's why I sound like this, but I still wanted to get a video out to you guys, and today was the last day I can put out a New Year's Eve party glam look. This is an eyeshadow look that I did want to try. Not sure how it's going to look on me, but we shall see. I'm going to try to turn this face into something better. I do have my cup of hot water so I can kind of still talk to you guys and not sound too bad. But if you want to see a nice party look, just keep watching. Alright, so I already have my hair put back. I already have lip gloss on my lips, and my face does feel pretty dry, but it's okay. I did put some moisturizer on earlier, but I do want to go into my eyes first because I do want to do a nice winged look. I'm going to go in with tape, and you just definitely want to make sure it's not too tacky so it doesn't mess with your skin too much. So I just put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to, actually I only need half of that. I am trying to do a pretty sharp wing, so you want to make sure that it is patted down so nothing seeps through and this feels comfortable. And just want to make sure that it's even. Alright, so now that that's put in, we can go ahead and prep our eyes. I'm just going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and Tan Sand and prime my lids. And then I'm going to set them with my Huda Beauty baking powder in Blondie. And then I'm going to go into my Huda Beauty new Nude palette. I'm going to take the color Teddy right here and just kind of give myself a nice little transition. It's basically just going into my crease just to give it a little bit of a depth. And I'm bringing that a little bit onto the lid as well. Now I want to go ahead and give myself a big, bold wing line eyeshadow. I'm going to take this Lime Crime Diamond Crusher, and I'm going to put that on my lid as a big, big eyeliner. So bear with me. So it's actually like a lip topper. I think it could be a lid topper as well. And I'm just going to take a little bit onto an angled brush. I'm going to put a little bit onto the back of my hand so I don't have to keep going into this when I need it, because I'm going to need quite a bit. But look how pretty that color is. It goes perfectly with my top, and that's what that looks like. I'm starting it off like a regular liner. So you want to pull it down for it to be a triangle to complete it, right? To make it a little bit thicker. But my triangle is going to be a bigger triangle. So you do have to work with this kind of quick because it does dry. So basically this is a cut crease that just goes right into a wing. I know it looks a little weird, but just bear with me. Alright guys, so this is going to be such a trip to take off because it does sustain, so that's going to be fun, and I have to go to work after this, so that's going to be even more fun, but it's okay. So this is what I have right now. I'm just going to go ahead and take it off. Does it look like I found something really pretty and just wanted to put it all over my lid? That could also be a reason why I did this, but I know it looks crazy, like really crazy, but we're gonna do some more stuff to it and hopefully it'll look better. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes again. So I just want a really nice clean line, just giving an outline to the wing. So I'm going to go in with my Lakme Insta Liner, and I'm just going to give a nice little winged liner, thin enough so that it's just like almost like a little guideline. I am thickening it up just a little bit because I feel like it's gonna look better. So I finished lining my liner. Now I need to do my lashes. So for my mascara, I'm going to use the Scuba Mascara by The Balm Cosmetics. And for my lashes, I'm going to use the JB Lashes by Eylure slash Jasmine Brown collaboration. So I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now I have my lashes in and my voice is getting worse. Let's go ahead and finish the rest of the look. I'm going to go ahead and prime my face, and I'm going to use this VDL primer, and it's a Lumilayer primer, and I need that because I need some life back into my face. Into my LA Girl Pro Conceal in orange for my under eyes to cover those up. I'm going to go into foundation, and I'm going to use my Revlon Candid foundation in 410 Toast. I am going to take my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye on all the spots that I put orange, just to cover up the orange because you can still see it, and it's pretty much close to my skin tone anyways. Now my face definitely needs some brightening, so I'm going to go into my Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand. Now I'm going to cream contour with this Makeup Revolution's Conceal and Define in C14. Now to powder my face, I'm going to go in with this Huda Beauty baking powder in Blondie. Now I'm going to contour my face with this E.L.F. light to medium, and I'm going to go into this darkest color right here. Now to finish up my eyes, I'm going to go into my under eyes with this Nude palette by Huda Beauty, and I'm going to go into the bottom with Tease right here. I need something a little bit deeper, so I'm going to go into my Milani palette, and I'm going to go into the color Lust. Just like I used up a lot of lid space on the top, I'm using a lot on the bottom. I'm also going to line my bottom line with a black eyeliner, and I'm going to use this LA Ultimate Intense Auto Liner in Ultimate Black. And then I'm going to take this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara for my bottom lashes. So these bold eyes need bold brows, so I'm going to go into this La Beauty Fatale Brow Fix Tint and Shaper. And I'm going to take a little bit of that to the brush and fill my brows in. Now for my blush, I'm going to go into this Tarte blush in Party Dress. Adding a little bit over my nose as well. Now for highlighter, I'm going to go into my Ofra highlighter in Moondance. I'm going to take some of that into my inner corners and my brow bone as well. And now, last but not least, my lips. Alright guys, I'm done. So I didn't like what I had on my lips earlier. I went in with this Grande lip color in Deja Brew, and then on top of that I went into this Smashbox color in Babe Alert. Oh my gosh, my voice is gone, you guys. I can't believe I'm going into the new year being sick, but whatever. So this is my final look. I know it's a little bit too much. It's a lot. It is a lot. It's not for everyone, but I did want to try something like this on my channel to see how it looks. It goes perfectly with my top, and it is a little bit over the top too, and I like it. I think it's kind of cool, so I think it's really pretty. It's actually very easy, but you're just being very bold with your eyeshadow. You don't have to go with this bright blue eyeshadow shimmery thing that I did, which is probably gonna stain my lids, and I have to go to work in a little bit, but you can do a little bit more of a subtle color, but it is a bold look. But you know what? You're going into the new year. Go into it with bold confidence and try cool, awesome, amazing, life-changing things that you normally wouldn't. And I wanted this look to be kind of brave and bold just to represent that. I like how it turned out, and I feel like it is something I normally won't wear, but it's kind of cool actually. I want to say 2019 was a pretty cool year for me. I got to do a lot of traveling that I normally don't get to do, and I hope I can do a lot more of that in 2020. And of course, grow my channel, do some cool looks for you guys, and definitely engage with you guys a little bit more. In the new year, I hope to bring you guys a lot more cool looks and some giveaways and maybe some DIYs before I completely lose my voice. I hope you all have an amazing new year. If you like this look, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and have a happy and blessed new year. Bye, love you.